Lesson 11.2 is called frequency tables. It says complete the frequency table for the following set of data. And so Delta Math will have this all set up, and then you're just going to press this button as many times as you need to, and it'll bring up tally marks, and then you'll state the frequency. So all we're doing is looking at how many numbers are 0 to 2. So a 0, 1, or 2, we're going to put tallies here. I see a 2. And that's it. So frequency, how many times that a number occurs is 1. How about from 3 to 5? So a 3, 4, or 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So every time you see one of those numbers. 6 through 8, so 6, 7, or 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I don't see any numbers 9, 10, or 11. And that's it. Number 2, the table displays the scores of students on a recent exam, so a test that they took. Find the mean of the scores to the nearest tenth. Mean is really a word for find the average. And to find the average of something, you total up all the numbers. So I'm going to put the sum of numbers. You divide that by the number of scores or numbers. Okay, so I would need to add up all these scores, but this is a frequency table saying that somebody got 70 and another person got 70 and another person, or 4 people got 75. So instead of adding 75 4 times, I could really just multiply by 4. Plus, I could say there were 7 kids that got an 80 on the test, 8 kids that got an 85, 9 kids that got a 90, and 6 kids that got a 95. And then you'll divide that by how many scores. We'll add up all of these, and then I'll tell you how many kids took the test. So we would say 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 plus 9 is 30, plus 6 is 36. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on my calculator. And I got a total of all the scores to be 3,060 points divided by 36 test scores that got an average score of 85, which looks pretty good to me.